Do you ever feel like your brain has a loading screen stuck on it? Forgetting words, losing focus, or feeling mentally cloudy, even after a good night's sleep? What if I told you the real reason for your brain fog might not be stress, lack of sleep, or even overwork, but something you'd never expect? Stick with me, because today we're uncovering a surprising culprit behind brain fog that could be affecting you right now. When we think of brain fog, most of us blame it on late nights, too much screen time, or just getting older. And yes, these play a role. But here's the twist. Sometimes even when you fix all that, sleep 8 hours, reduce stress, eat well, you still feel foggy. Why? Because there's another hidden factor at play. The surprising culprit? Dehydration. That's right. Your brain is nearly 75% water, and even a small drop in hydration, just 1 to 2%, can shrink brain tissue, slowing down neural connections. Translation: your brain literally runs in slow motion mode. Studies show dehydration can mess with memory, attention, and even mood. The crazy part, you might not even feel thirsty before this happens. Think about it. How many times do you replace water with coffee, tea, or energy drinks? You think you're hydrating, but caffeine can actually make dehydration worse. And while you're blaming stress or sleep for your brain fog, your brain is simply begging for water. So, what can you do? Start your day with a glass of water before coffee. Aim for 6-8 glasses a day, more if you're active. Add water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, or watermelon to your diet. It's not about drinking gallons at once, but about staying consistently hydrated. So the next time you feel that mental cloud rolling in, before reaching for another cup of coffee or blaming your brain, ask yourself, have I had enough water today? Sometimes the simplest fix is the most powerful. Stay sharp, stay hydrated, and keep your brain running at full speed. Subscribe for more science behind everyday life.